Question number 9. Find the value of x in the figure above. Find the value of x in the figure above. So we have the figure. Something like this. So, and this is 30 degrees. We have x, we have 10 centimeter, and then we have this to be 60 degrees. Okay, so we're asked to find the value of x in this figure above. So what we're going to use is what we call Lamy theorem. So we have this to be equals to, in these kind of situations, if you have this to be that, let's say you have something like this, where you have this, let's say this is theta 1, this is theta 2, this is theta 3. All you need to know here is, if this is A, facing angle theta 1, or let me call, face angle theta 1, and then this is B, facing angle theta 2, and C, facing angle theta 3. All you need to know is A over sine theta 1 equals to B over sine theta 2, which is equals to C over sine theta 3. Okay, you need to know this. Now if you apply this to this question, you have what is facing 30 degrees is 10, and then what is facing 60 degrees is what is x. So you have this to be equals to 10 over sine 30 equals to x over sine 60. Okay, let me move on to the next page so we can have R. So we have 10 over sine 30 equals to x over sine 60. Okay, now I need to tell you, give you a trick of having your sine 30 degrees is 1 over 2, that's 0.5, and sine 60, that. Well, let me teach you a trick. Let's say we have angles, common angles, like 0, 30. I just want to show you the ratio in short form, your angles. So you have 0, then you have this to be, let's say, the 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and your 90 degrees. Put simply, so if you have this to be, just write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. Then divide each by 4. If you divide this by 4, 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 then find the square root of each of them. 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 The answer that you get is your sine theta. This answer that you get from here is the sine theta. So this gives us 0. Okay, this gives us 1 over 2, because root 1 is 1, root 4 is 2, so this gives us 1 over 2. So sine 30 degrees is 1 over 2. Then this is root 2, doesn't have a square root, so you have root 2. Root 4 is 2, so you have this to be root 2 over 2, correct? Then this is root 3 over 2, because this is same thing as root 3 over root 4, so root 3 over 2. Okay, and then this is root 4 over 4, that's root 1, so root 1 is 1, so sine 90 degrees is 1. Okay, so this is a trick. So you have this sine 0 to be 0, sine 30 to be 1 over 2, sine 45 to be root 2 over 2, sine 60 to be root 3 over 2, sine 90 degrees to be 1. Now remember that cos of angle is sine of its complement, so just reverse it, that you get your cos. So your cos is sine of an angle, cos of its complement. So you have this to be equals to 1, and then this one equals to root 3 over 2, and then this one is the same, root 2 over 2, and then this is 1 over 2, and then this is 0. So just a reverse of your sine is your cos. And then to get your tan, just sine theta over cos theta, just divide this by this, you have your tan. To have your tan theta, just divide this by this. So your tan theta would essentially be equals to 0 divided by 1. You have this one to be infinite. Then you have 1 over 2 divided by root 3 over 2. Then you have 1 over root 3. So this one will give us 1 over root 3, because this is 1 over 2. Let me break it down for you just in case you're wondering. 1 over 2 times, 1 over 2 times is going to be 2 over root 3 by the time. So this cancels this, so you have this to be 1 over root 3. Then this one too, you have root 2 over root 2 divided by root 2 over, so you have 1. So time 45 is 1. Then this one, root 3 over 2 divided by 1 over 2 will give you root 3. So you have root 3, you got root 3 over 2 divided by root 3 over 2 divided by what? Root 3 over 2 divided by 1 over 2. That will be times 2 over 1. So this cancels it. So you are going to have this to be equal to root what? Root 3. And then 1 divided by 0, you have this is actually 0, sorry. This first one is 0 divided by 1 is 0, and then 1 divided by this is infinity. Okay, 0 divided by a number is 0, or 1 divided by 0 is infinite. So this please, you can just have it aside and just have a trick. Now let's apply this to the questions that we have at hand. Next page. So I have my what I have earlier on, 10 over sine 30 equals to x over sine 60. Over sine 30 equals to x over sine 60. So this is equals to 10 over sine 30 is 1 over 2. 1 over 2 equals to x over sine 60 is what? Is root 3 over 2. Is root 3 over 2. Root 3 over 2. So this can be written thus as 10, this is 1 over 2. This is equals to x root 3 divided by root 3 over 2. So this is same thing as 10 times 2 over 1 equals to x times 2 over what? Root 3. So we have 20 to be equals to 2x over what? Over root 3. Okay, 2x over root 3. So let me move to the next screen. So we have 20 to be equals to 2x over root 3. So we have 20 root 3 equals to 2x. Okay, so your x is 20 root 3 over 2, which is your 10 root 3. Your 10 root 3. Okay, that's your x. So your x is 10 root 3 centimeter. 10 root 3 centimeter. 10 root 3 centimeter. So the answer is C. The answer is C. Next question is question number 10. Okay. Another question number 10 is the distribution of scores in a class. The distribution of scores in a class test are as follows. So we have 2, 8, 6, 5, 8, 6, 6, 5, 6, and 5. So find the product of Mulder and the median score. So the scores are 2, 8, 6, 5, 8, 6, 6, 5, 6, and 5. So find the product of the median and the Mulder score. The Mulder and the median score. So it's pretty straightforward. We're looking for the product of median we look for mean, median rather. We look for median and the mode. Then we'll multiply it together. We'll multiply these two, and that's what we are asked to evaluate. Okay, now let's find the median. In order to get the median of this, we need to rearrange in ascending or descending order. So if we rearrange from the lowest to the highest, we have 2, then we have 5, we have 5, so we're done with 2, and then 5, 1, 2, 3, we are done with 5 also, 5, 5, 5, then we have 6, this 6 gone, 6, 6, 6 is gone, another 6, that 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 6 gone, then 8, then 8. So if you look at it, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They are 10 in number. They are 10 in number. So the median is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So these are the numbers that falls into the middle because this is even. So the median is 6 plus 6 divided by 2. Because it's even, we are going to have it to be equals to the median, because the numbers that falls in the middle, that's in this case is 6 plus 6, then you divide it by 2, then you have that to be 12 over 2, and you have 6. So that's the median. Then the mode is the number that appears the most in this distribution. So if we look at it, 2 appears only once, 5 appears 3 times, 6 appears 4 times, 8 2 times. So 6 is also the mode. 6 is also the mode. So the median times the mode equals to 6 by 6, and this will give us 36. This gives us 36, and that is B. That is B. That is B.